Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we will look at how to reduce a Word file size by compressing images in two different ways. This method can also be used to enable Word files to be an email attachment, which could otherwise be too big to be attachment to an email. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps support the channel. Now let's dive in and explore the most effective ways to manage Word file sizes. I have created two identical Word documents called file size and copy file size. Both contain the exact same information, but their file sizes are very different. The file size document is about 27 MB, while the copy file size document is 1.3 MB. To demonstrate how this is achieved, I will close the copy file size document and maximize the file size document. Next, I will click one of the images in the document. Navigate to the Format Picture tab on the ribbon and select Compress Pictures. Here in the pop-up window, uncheck Apply only to this picture so that compression is applied to all images in the document. Then make sure Delete Cropped Areas of Pictures option is checked. This will permanently remove any cropped out parts of images to reduce file size. Then let's choose a resolution. I recommend selecting HD because it typically maintains good visual quality while significantly reducing file size. If an even smaller size is needed, you can experiment with lower resolution options. Now click OK to close the pop-up, then save the document and close it. To view the file size, I will right-click the file and choose Properties from the drop-down list. As you can see, the file size has been reduced from 27 MB to 1.3 MB. If you would like Word to reduce image files automatically, you can change the default settings. To do this, go to File in the ribbon, then click Options at the very bottom of the left pane. In the pop-up window, select the Advanced tab. Scroll down to the Image Size and Quality section. Here, uncheck Do not compress images in file. Then, set the default resolution to 330 ppi, which is a good balance between image quality and file size. Finally, use the drop-down menu next to Chart to choose All New Documents. To apply the changes and close the pop-up, click OK. This setting will apply to all future Word documents, helping keep file sizes manageable automatically. With that, we have covered everything you need to know about reducing Word document size. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I'm here to help. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.